First, I took a simple photo, but I wanted to make it look amazing. So I started by removing the background carefully, making the subject stand out clean and sharp. Then I used a smooth cutout tool to shape the image perfectly and adjust the edge for a professional look. After that, I placed the photo on a new background and adjusted the position to match the web. To make it more attractive, I added soft lighting and applied a beautiful filter to enhance colors. Finally, I give it a clean finish, balanced the brightness, and made sure everything